French.
Was it Mauritius? I was just in Mauritius last month. For 1 week. Who went into Mauritius?
Oui, oui. Nous avons rencontré en 1985.
J'étais là-bas.
Non, non, ici à Toronto.
Oui, j'étais là-bas le mois passé.
Ah oui,
J'ai passé une semaine là-bas. Pour que le programme.
c'est bon.
J'étais là avec Fortman. So, I'm very pleased to be here. Mr. Ananda has been praising your family's devotional qualities, and he insisted that I come here. I haven't even gone to the temple so far. I'm just going to do a short program today, because I have a bigger program in the night. I'm here till Tuesday. We'll do a little bit of fitness. I want to thank you, Mr. Saba, for the wish to see you. Prepared with love by your wife. And, you do a program here once a month? Yeah. Once a month? Yeah. So looking at your house, it looks like a temple. You only see pictures of Prabhupada and Krishna. There are no mundane pictures. That's a very good sign. When I go to Grihastha home, I see how opulently they are living or how simply they are living. If they are living simply, then I can see them in spiritual life. If they are living very opulently, then all their time goes in earning money to pay the bills. So it's better for devotees to live simply than they can concentrate on spiritual life. The very peace you have. Well, the only thing I see on the wall is Prabhupada and Krishna. So that's good. Would I stay TOT? Would I stay on Tomato?
Non, non, non. Nous sommes dans l'Ouest.
Okay, so we do a little bit of fitness. Where did Rajesh go? Rajesh? Rajesh? Just here. Where did he go? The phone. Where's Geeta going there? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 I'm going to take a very simple word for discussion. And if you don't mind, I'll stand. Give a little short class. if you don't mind. Actually, I lost my suitcase while coming from Montreal. So we got a bit and lost half an hour in the airport. I have another program at 6:30, another program at 10 o'clock.
Two more programs?
Two more programs. So this is a verse from the 9th chapter. Patram puspam padam toyam yome bhaktya prayochati tadam bhaktapaltam shami payathatmana. Translation is, if one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, flower, fruit or water, I will accept it. Please repeat the translation after me. If one offers me
One offers me
with love and devotion
with love and devotion
a leaf of flower,
leaves of flowers,
fruit or water,
fruit or water,
I will accept it.
I will accept it.
Om Agyan Timanandasya Gyananjanashuraya Chakshurunasya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So, Krishna is making devotional service very easy for all of us. Really, Satamachana? Everyone understand that?
Yes.
Krishna is making devotional service very, very easy for us. Krishna is not saying you must be driving a Cadillac car, you must have a big house on the harbor, and a bank balance of $1 million. Only then I will accept it. He's not saying that, isn't he? He's saying, Patram Puspam Phalam Thoya. What can be cheaper than this? He says, you can offer me a leaf. Now, even in days of inflation, महंगाई का जमाने में भी पत्ते का तो ज़्यादा कीमत नहीं है. Even in days of inflation, leaf doesn't cost much, does it? You just pick up free, isn't it? Almost free. Then a flower. The flowers, they cost money. If you get gardenis and if you get these nice flowers, then you will pay off. Tulsi leaf or any leaf. Then Krishna says fruit. Of course, some fruits like mangoes may be more expensive, but I'm sure there's some fruits that are cheap also, isn't it? And then he says water. Krishna, he doesn't say it has to be mineral water or it has to be bottled water. He says just water. He says if you want to drink safe water, then you buy those bottles. I mean, it's become a fad all over the world now. But Krishna says clean water. So who cannot afford it? आप समझ रहे हो? भगवान कह रहे पत्ता पुष्पम पदम सोया. Anyone can afford it, isn't it? Krishna said I'll accept it. But there is one catch. What is that catch?
Love and devotion.
With love and devotion. He must offer with love and devotion. प्रेम और भक्ति के साथ अगर कोई व्यक्ति पत्थर भी दे, फल भी दे, फूल भी दे, जल दे, मैं स्वीकार करूँगा. But what Krishna wants is love and devotion. Do we have love and devotion for Krishna? Yes. We do. Very good. We have. I think we don't have any love and devotion for Krishna.